The problem with my pressure washer is the pressure washer doesn't get stopped even though there is a pressure build-up. So I suspect the pressure switch has gone bad, so planning to replace the pressure switch. So now I have purchased the service parts for the Black & Decker pressure washer. I have purchased the pressure washer switch. So this is a pressure washer switch. This cost around 600 rupees along with the pressure switch. Let's open to fix it. This is a pressure switch that needs to be replaced. This goes to the switch box here. So let's open the switch box. Pressure switch is very easy to remove. Put the flat head like this. And this will pop open. Let's use the spanner to take this out. The entire assembly comes out. As you can see, the o-ring inside has gone bad, so that's the reason the switch was not working properly. However, we have got the new pressure switch, so it's not a problem that we can replace. So the problem is the pressure switch. As you can see, the internals look fair good, not very bad. Let's put the new pressure switch. To pop the pressure switch, I am using a table vise. And that's it. The pressure switch is in place. Open the 4 screws in the switch box. This is a switch box. This is the old pressure switch. So let's connect the new one. After connecting all 4 screws, let's put this back. Let's put the screw back. So now we have changed the pressure switch. Let's check this out. So this is a pressure switch which is replaced. So the problem is solved. The machine automatically gets off when it reaches the desired pressure. So it's all about changing the pressure switch. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.